broke. Developed Misfire, so let's plug her into the diagnostics and see what's going on. We're using the Ansel MT700 Diag. So we'll go to Moto Diag, Honda. It automatically detects the VIN of the bike. Auto scan. Scan DTC. So we've got current fault on the ignition coil primary circuit malfunction. Possible causes: generate faults, loose or poor contact of the ignition coil connector, ignition coil or its circuit malfunction. Right, so it looks like we're digging in, getting underneath the fuel tank, airbox off, find out what's going on.